In this video, I will show you how you can make videos like Alex Hormozi in just a few clicks with the help of AI, just like the ones you're seeing right now. And not only like Alex Hormozi, but also like Ali Abdaal, Mr. Beast, Iman Gadzhi, and many other top creators. And you don't even need to have video editing skills in order to do these videos, or you don't need to buy a software to edit videos like Premiere Pro, then sit down, edit for hours, cut the video, add the titles, do the effects, do the transitions, the background music, the sound effects. No, nothing of that. We don't need to do any of that. So let's see how it's done. For this video, I'm gonna use SubMagic. Once you come to SubMagic, all you have to do is click create free video now, create your account for free, and then drag and drop your video here. Choose the language of your video, in my case it's English, and then click transcribe. Then you wait a few seconds, a few minutes, and now that the video is uploaded, you can see AI has done all the subtitles, all the captions for us in just a few minutes. From now on, all you have to do is play with this style a bit. For example, if you want to do Alex Hormozi style subtitles, you're gonna choose this, play the video. It's like this. There are 3 Hormozi styles, this one and this one. You can choose the one you want. You don't have a boss, you work from home, you determine your price. You can see the video, and as you can see, we don't only have the Alex Hormozi style. You can, for example, choose the Mr. Beast style, the Iman Gadzhi style, thing you need to know about, or the Ali Abdaal style, Fiverr from A to Z. I think freelancing is one of the best ways to make money for anything that you're seeing here right now. You don't have a boss, you work from home, you determine. This one looks pretty good. Anyway, something that I want to add is that if you want to use emojis on your captions, like you're seeing right here, you need to choose a style that has an emoji at the top right. And not only that, you can also customize these effects. You can click edit theme Hormozi 2, and you can change the font, the weight, the color, the size, the uppercase, the lowercase, like the shadows, everything you see here. You can pretty much do anything you would like to do with a video editing app, all here. Like I'm gonna do it like this. It's a bit too big. Something like this is better, and you click create theme and it's done. Or if you don't want to change the theme, you can just simply change the color, the sizing, the position, and the colors from here. Now, aside from like styling the captions, if you see a mistake maybe, or you just want to change an emoji or the text, you want to write something else, you're gonna come to the captions tab, and from here you can edit all the captions. Here it says auto captions accuracy is 100%, so there are no mistakes on my video. But for example, if I just want to add an emoji, you don't have a buzz, here it says buzz. For example, I don't want this emoji, but I want this one, for example. I can do that. The buzz, we have an emoji like this with an animation like this. Here I can also change the text. I can add break lines or even sound effects. For example, here it says to make money with, it says money. I can add a money sound effect. Click. We can add that. Click money, and we have one of the best ways to make money with your skills. The sound effect. If it's too loud, you can change it from here, or you can remove the audio. Plus, the good thing is that you can also add b-rolls from the b-rolls tab. You come to the b-rolls, you click on the plus icon on the part that you want to add a b-roll, and here you can add a b-roll. If you click here, it's already showing us b-rolls about freelancing, and you can choose the one you like, or you can search for something else and you can choose the one you like. For example, this one. I click on it, I click apply, and we have a b-roll. You can change its position, you can add a transition effect to it, like maybe this. Or if you don't want to add a b-roll, if you just want to add a transition maybe, you click on the plus icon, you click on the original, and from here you can just add a transition or a zoom animation, maybe a film b-roll, a zoom fast, I don't know. Let's watch it. You don't have a boss, you work from home, you determine. It's that simple. You could also add images or GIF, I don't know. And finally, there is a publish tab where you can add a hook title, a music, and a description and hashtags for your videos. For example, the hook title it's basically a title at the beginning of the video. You don't show captions, it's just a main hook title. There are some themes, the impact, the glowy, the soft, and the classic. You can again change the sizing, the positioning. If you don't like it, you can just simply change here what it says. You get the point. We have music. You can add a background music to your video if you have your own, or if you just want to find something from storyblogs in any category like podcast, cozy coffee, zen, blissful, classic, hype, get inspired. You can listen to all these musics and choose the one that you like. And finally, we have description and hashtags. If you click on that, AI will generate us description and hashtags for our video, so we can use it on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, anywhere you want. Now, of course, you don't need to do any of this stuff, but it's a cool option to have. And once you're done, all you have to do is click export. Our video is exporting, and they will email the video to us once it's ready, which it will be in a few minutes. And now you have a video ready to share. It was really that simple. Now, if you're on the free plan, you will have a watermark. It wouldn't be right to expect for someone to give us all these features that makes our jobs so much easier, saves a ton of time, and to be like completely free. I mean, it is kind of free. You have a free trial. You can try the software, see if you actually like it or not. Then you can switch to a paid plan. But at the end, it's not like completely free, which the pricing is not that high either. If you were to purchase a video editing software, for example, you would have to pay more and spend a lot more time to actually create these videos. But with this AI, you get all these features such as auto captions, transitions, auto zooms, auto cuts, images, emojis, b-rolls, music, sound effects, and more. I also left you a link in the description, and Submagic gave me a code, and you can use this code if you would like to use this software. So I want Submagic for sponsoring this video. I left the link in the description. You can try their software for free, and if you actually like it, then you can switch to a paid plan by using my code to save some money. Anyway, I hope you liked the video and found it useful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.